If you encounter this error message when you want to install a new app, fortunately, there are several methods you can use to fix the issue and install new apps anytime you want. So firstly, remove the temporary files on your Windows. You just have to open Settings, select Storage, click Temporary Files to bring up the Cleaner tool. Then to free up the most disk space, select all the temporary file checkboxes. However, selecting the Windows Update Cleanup option alone can free up gigabytes of space, and then press the Remove Files option. Next, disable the Read Only option. Do that by opening File Explorer, navigate to the following folder, right-click on the Temp folder, select Properties, then open the Security tab, select your username, and click the Edit option. Now you have to check the Allow option next to Full Control. Now once you're done doing that, click Apply, then select OK. And for your last resort, compress the exe file you're trying to run. You just have to right-click on the exe file, select Send to, choose Compressed Zip File, and then Windows will create a zip folder with the same name, and you have to open that folder and launch the installer. And those are the following fixes in this error code in your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.